Okay, welcome learners. I have this question B9 saying table B9.1 shows some of the results of a comparison among X particles, B particles, Y rays. Complete the table by filling in the missing properties. So this is a table that we are going to look at. So they are saying particle nature, charge. So the particle here is beta or X, and then the nature is called helium nuclide, and then the charge is +2 units. So let's now fill in these missing spaces. So let's look at the B. Okay, I've drawn a very simple table here just to help you. Okay, so this one is a B particle. What is the nature of a B particle? Since this one is a helium nuclide, we can say this one is an electron. So this one is known as an electron. What about the charge? Since this one is +2 units, this one is -1 unit. Okay, so we are done with this side. So we've actually described the nature of a B particle and the charge. So let's look at the Y particle. What is the nature of a Y particle? So this one is called an electromagnetic wave. It's an electromagnetic wave. What about the charge? This one doesn't have a charge, so the charge is 0 unit. As simple as that. So we've actually filled in the missing parts of the table here. Okay, so we still have more questions. B2 is saying figure B92 shows the 3 radioactive emissions E, F, and G from a radioactive substance directed at 3 different obstacles. Roman numeral 1, identify the emissions E, F, and G. So we have this diagram, ladies and gentlemen. So this is a paper, aluminum, and this is lead. So from the diagram, we're able to know the names of these radioactives. There's radiation. So let's start with E, F, and G. Okay, so what is E? So this is an alpha particle. Why? Because I know that an alpha particle is only stopped by a paper. In other words, it has weak penetration. It has weak penetration power. Let's go to F. So this one is able to penetrate through the paper, but it cannot penetrate through aluminum. So this is known as the beta particle. Beta. Okay. I know that beta is the one that can only be stopped by aluminum. So let's go to G. G can pass through the paper, pass through aluminum, but it can not pass through lead. That is gamma ray. Okay, so that is how you know the names of those radiations. So you know, you look at their penetrating power. So this one has the least, this one, and then this one is the most penetrating radiation that we have. Okay, so let's move to Roman numeral 2. Give one difference between emission E and emission G. Emission E is here and emission G is here. So from the diagram here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm able to give the differences. So I can say emission, okay, emission E has weak penetrating power as compared to emission G. So emission E has weak penetrating power Okay, wow. This is how we give differences. Wow. Emission G has, okay, high. I can use the word high or strong. Penetrating power. So I've used this difference because it's the one that we are being shown here. It's able to reflect from the diagram here that this one has weak penetrating power as compared to the other one. So I think this is how you handle such questions. Thank you very much.